There's something truly special about cakes. They are more than just desserts. They are symbols of celebration, joy, and togetherness. From the moment you see a cake, it brings a smile to your face and a sense of anticipation for the sweet treat that awaits. Cakes mark birthdays, weddings, and countless other celebrations. They are the centerpiece of many special moments, from the first slice at a wedding to the candles blown out on a birthday. Each cake tells a story of love, happiness, and cherished memories. Whether it's a classic vanilla sponge or a decadent chocolate fudge, cakes bring joy and sweetness to our lives. The variety of flavors and designs is endless, catering to every taste and preference. Each bite is a delightful experience, a moment of pure indulgence. But have you ever wondered how those perfectly shaped, delicious cakes arrive at your local bakery or supermarket shelf? The journey of a cake from the mixing bowl to the display case is a fascinating process, involving both artistry and precision. Let's take a peek inside a modern cake factory and uncover the magic behind these everyday treats. In these factories, skilled workers and advanced machinery work in harmony to produce cakes that are not only delicious, but also visually stunning. Gone are the days of small-scale bakeries struggling to meet demand. While traditional bakeries still hold a special place in our hearts, the scale and efficiency of modern cake production have revolutionized the industry. Today, advanced factories utilize impressive technology and streamlined processes to create cakes on a grand scale, ensuring that everyone can enjoy a slice of happiness, no matter the occasion. From automated mixing and baking to intricate decorating and packaging, every step is meticulously planned and executed to perfection. Every delicious cake begins with high-quality ingredients: flour, sugar, eggs, butter, milk. These simple components form the foundation of countless cake varieties. Modern cake factories establish strong relationships with trusted suppliers, ensuring a steady stream of fresh ingredients delivered right to their doorsteps. Large silos store massive quantities of flour and sugar, while refrigerated rooms maintain the ideal temperature for perishable items like eggs, milk, and butter. This focus on ingredient freshness and quality is paramount for creating cakes that taste as good as they look. Step inside a modern cake factory, and you'll be greeted by a symphony of stainless steel, whirring machines, and the comforting aroma of baking. These aren't your grandma's mixing bowls and handheld whisks. Giant industrial mixers, capable of handling hundreds of pounds of batter at once, ensure perfectly blended ingredients every time. Automated systems precisely measure and dispense ingredients, eliminating the risk of human error and guaranteeing consistency from batch to batch. Conveyor belts transport cake pans through massive ovens, baking each layer to golden perfection with controlled temperature and timing. The cake-making process is a carefully choreographed dance of mixing, baking, and cooling. It all begins with the precise combination of dry and wet ingredients, blended together in those impressive industrial mixers until smooth and airy. The batter is then poured into pre-sized cake pans, ready for their turn in the ovens. After baking, the cakes are gently removed from their pans and transferred to cooling racks. Giant fans circulate air, ensuring each layer cools evenly and prevents condensation from forming. Once completely cool, the cakes are ready for their delicious transformations. Section 5. A promise of quality, safety, and standards. Food safety and quality control are paramount in every aspect of cake production. Stringent hygiene protocols are followed throughout the facility, with employees adhering to strict hand washing and sanitation procedures. Regular inspections ensure that all equipment is flawlessly maintained and operating within safety standards. Throughout the process, dedicated quality control technicians meticulously inspect cakes at various stages, checking for proper size, shape, and color. Any imperfections are immediately addressed, guaranteeing that only the highest quality cakes make it to the next stage. Section 6. The perfect bite every time. Consistency is key. One of the hallmarks of a well-run cake factory is its ability to produce cakes that taste and feel identical, no matter when or where you buy them. This level of consistency is not just a happy accident, it is the result of meticulous planning and execution. Every step in the production process is designed to eliminate variability and ensure uniformity. From the selection of raw ingredients to the final packaging, each phase is carefully monitored and controlled. This consistency is achieved through a combination of standardized recipes, precise ingredient measurements, and automated processes. Standardized recipes ensure that every batch starts with the same foundation. Precise ingredient measurements guarantee that each cake has the exact same composition. Automated processes minimize human error and increase efficiency, allowing for large-scale production without sacrificing quality. From the ratio of flour to sugar to the exact baking time and temperature, every variable is carefully controlled to ensure that each cake meets the same exacting standards. The ratio of ingredients is crucial. Too much or too little of any component can alter the taste and texture. Baking time and temperature are equally important, as they affect the cake's moisture and consistency. Advanced temperature controls and timers are used to maintain these parameters within a narrow range, ensuring that each cake is baked to perfection. This dedication to consistency ensures that consumers can enjoy their favorite cake with confidence, knowing that it will always deliver the same delicious experience. Whether you're enjoying a slice at a cozy cafe or serving it at a family gathering, the taste and texture remain unchanged. This reliability builds trust and loyalty among customers, making them more likely to return for more. In a world where quality can often be inconsistent, a cake factory's commitment to consistency stands out as a testament to its excellence. Section 7, From Factory to You: Packaging and Distribution. Once cooled and inspected, the cakes are ready for their final touches. This crucial step ensures that each cake meets our high standards of quality and taste. The inspection process involves checking for any imperfections and ensuring that the cakes have cooled to the optimal temperature for the next stage. Automated icing machines spread a smooth, even layer of frosting, ensuring consistency and efficiency. These machines are calibrated to apply just the right amount of frosting, creating a perfect base for further decoration. While skilled decorators add intricate designs, piped borders, and decorative flourishes, these talented artisans bring a personal touch to each cake, making them not just delicious but also visually stunning. Their expertise ensures that every cake is a work of art. Finally, the cakes are carefully packaged to preserve their freshness and visual appeal. The packaging process involves placing each cake in a specially designed box that protects it during transport. This step is vital to ensure that the cakes arrive at their destination in perfect condition. A network of refrigerated trucks transports the finished cakes to supermarkets, keeping them at the ideal temperature to maintain their freshness. These trucks are equipped with state-of-the-art refrigeration systems that ensure the cakes remain fresh throughout the journey. Bakeries and restaurants where they are eagerly awaited by customers. The distribution network is designed to be efficient and reliable, ensuring that the cakes reach their destinations quickly and safely, ensuring that they arrive at their destinations fresh and ready to be enjoyed. The entire process, from packaging to delivery, is meticulously planned to guarantee that the cakes retain their quality and taste. This efficient distribution system allows consumers to savor delicious, factory-made cakes without sacrificing quality or convenience. Whether enjoyed at a family gathering, a special event, or simply as a treat, these cakes bring joy and satisfaction to all who taste them. Section 8. The Sweet Success of Modern Baking. The modern cake factory represents a fascinating blend of culinary tradition and cutting-edge technology. By combining high-quality ingredients, precise automation, and stringent quality control, these factories produce delicious, visually appealing cakes that meet the demands of our fast-paced world. So the next time you bite into a slice of your favorite cake, take a moment to appreciate the ingenuity and dedication behind its creation. From farm to factory to your fork, the journey of a cake is a testament to the sweet success of modern baking.